Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I will show you how to install Windows 11 Home without internet and without a Microsoft account. Microsoft requires your system to have an active internet connection to complete the Windows 11 setup. It asks you to log into your Microsoft account so you can download critical updates and new features before you get stuck into Windows 11. This becomes an issue if you want to use a local user account or don't have an active internet connection during setup. The trick to be able to skip this requirement when installing Windows 11 is to force the connection process to close using the Task Manager. To open Task Manager, what we must do is open a CMD window using our keyboard Shift and F10 together. Once we are on the Let's Connect to a Network screen, we will write the command task mgr in this CMD window. Inside the Task Manager, we will click on More Details to see the expanded list of the process. And we will look for one called Network Connection Flow. We right click on it and we will choose the option and task. After that, we will only have to return to the Windows installation wizard and continue normally.